I believe in leading with empathy. I think it's really important. It's crucial. As leaders, we demonstrate empathy in every conversation, not just with our immediate team members, but with our cross-functional partners, with our stakeholders, leadership. It's really about understanding every individual.
I believe that women bring their life experience, their authenticity, courage, and the continually ability to manage ambiguity and change to the work that they do.
I've always been interested in design and art. So even as a child, I was always the one that was doing artwork. When I went to university, I studied business strategy and how we make decisions and deliver things to customers. And so I think for me, my career has really been the combination of those two things coming together.
I'm really, really proud of being able to build an independent team. We talk about our designs a lot. Like 3 times a week, the entire team sits down to discuss their designs, and instead having the perspective of, I'm so lucky to be able to work with people who care enough to give me good inputs on my design or actually take my work and apply it to their own designs. That's what I'm proudest of. I have an amazing team that just really works so well together.
Throughout my career, I was always the first or second designer in any of these companies, help them scale and grow. Misha was the one company where I inherited an entire design team, and I found it a very unique challenge where I could build credibility with the entire team, unlearn a lot of the things that I already knew from my previous experiences, because we were building for a completely different audience. While I'm still learning, I'm really proud of what I've accomplished so far.
Careers are not a linear ladder. Careers are an exploratory journey through the universe. I think as a younger woman, I thought that being great would be enough. And it isn't, because when you work in a company, that company has a system. Learn what the company recognizes as great and translate what you do in those terms. Always partner, always respect, always build relationships.
I've always been somebody that's really valued building strong relationships with lots of different people, and I'm always seeking to speak to people and understand and learn from their perspectives. And so I really encourage that type of creativity or curiosity in people's ways of how they actually mingle and network, even just as simple as just saying hello to somebody in your business that you've never spoken to try and understand how your two worlds can connect and work together.
We have a principle in our team to design for all humans, to leave no one behind. For me, as a woman leader, and the future I hope that we build is one where we no longer have to talk about women in leadership, but we actually create incredibly diverse teams building products that provide access to the things that will change our lives forever.